Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this introductory animation using Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So just closing this page, going to the Canva homepage. First of all, we need a video canvas, so I'm going to the video section. And now we're choosing a mobile video, but of course working also with a landscape. So I'm just choosing this. Set the background to black to make it more fancy. And now I'm going to choose the elements. I will add this image. Scrolling down. No, first of all, no, I don't need to scrolling down. Shapes, I need a circle. I just add the circle. Circle, just moving to here now, and now scrolling down to the frames, and I need a circle frame. I just increasing the size a bit, like this. Position, moving to the center, just zooming a bit. I'm moving the image to the frame, double click on it, and just changing a bit the size to fit in the frame better, and just rotate a bit to have the picture but in a bit better angle. So now I just nope, that was not a good idea. I just increasing the size of the frame. Okay, the frame is the frame, so the circle is behind my frame, and I did in a different order. So go to the layers and moving the circle to the top, changing the color to black, and as you can see, now the frame is just blocking the frame with the picture, and this is what we want at the moment. So now just going to duplicate this page, and on the second page, holding the shift button and just moving the circle to the right. The reason why I hold the shift button in this case, when I start to moving the circle to the right, even when I'm just moving the mouse up and down just a bit, the movement will be still straight. So if you would like to move something left or right and do not want to move do not want to lose the position, just holding the shift button, and in this case the item is not moving up and down. So now, as you can see, we already have something nice, but at the moment this is not animated, just the images jump from the back. So when I hovering the mouse between the two pages and looking for this add transition, click on it, match and move, and the duration I just increasing. And as you can see, the transition is very nice. The reason why this is typical Canva thing when moving the two pages next to each other. So the reason why I increase the duration, if I just move into 0.1 second, boom. As you can see, this is too fast. And as you can see also, the size of the pages are also lower, so that's both sides are cutted. And I just would like to improve a bit my image. So I go into the positions, selecting the image. First of all, transparency moving to 0, and click on edit, adjust, and also the saturation I just move it to -100. And now you can see this is a much better transition because there is actually a triple transition One is the circle is moving from the image, plus saturation, so the image is going from black and white to color, plus the 0 transparency to the 100 transparency, so that this is why this animation looks more nicer, more, I don't know, I like this way better. As you can see here, slowly when I'm moving slowly the timeline, so this became from black and white to color, and also the transparency from 0 to 100, which is a pretty amazing stuff, but I really like. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in the Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description where you can find lots of another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image prompts for different kind of AI tools. So, if you're also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page also. As I already mentioned, you can find a link in the description. In the description, you can find also the links for my Instagram and TikTok pages, where you can find lots of short tutorials about Canva. So please visit also my Instagram and TikTok pages also. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.